A 6-year-old girl is among 3 people who were murdered along Delano Avenue along Aglo Park Road in Kingston on Friday night. According to the police, the child, who has been identified as Ariana Solomon, was among a group of people standing along the roadway when a motor car approached them. An occupant of the vehicle reportedly pointed a firearm at them, opened fire hitting them, then escaped into the area. A man was shot dead by a policeman during a confrontation outside a nightclub in Falmouth, Trelawney on Saturday morning. The man, identified as 25-year-old Aju Hall from Scarlett Hall in Trelawney, was reportedly shot after attacking the cop, who is said to be a constable from Stuart Town Police Station. Reports indicated that about 5:10 a.m. the two men were among patrons outside the nightclub when an altercation developed between Hall and another man. The constable intervened and tried to separate both men when Hall reportedly began punching him in the face repeatedly. It was further reported that the policeman pulled his private firearm and fired 3 shots, hitting Hall in the right side of his body. All police said was assisted to the Falmouth Hospital, where he succumbed to the injuries. The Independent Commission of Investigation has commenced a probe into the incident. A 36-year-old man from St. Mary has been charged with attempted murder and assault at common law following a chopping incident in Highgate Town Centre in the parish on October 30. Charged is Cleon Williams, otherwise called Gavin, labourer and mechanic of Hibiscus Avenue, Highgate. Reports from the Portmore police are that about 5:30 p.m. an argument developed between Williams and the complainant, during which he allegedly pulled a machete from his vehicle and chased him. The man fell to the ground and Williams proceeded to chop the man on his arm, severing it. He was assisted to hospital, where he was treated. Williams turned himself over to the police on Thursday and was charged a day later. He is booked to appear in court on November 8.